here. Daddy's gonna borrow your little chair. It might be a little too little. Oh my gosh! Oh, we got that on film. Okay, it's your buddy Dale again. Today we're back working on the door that we just installed a couple days ago. Today we're going to finish it up. We're going to put the doorknob on, nail off that doorstop, and plug up the top hole on the deadbolt side, and then we're going to go work on another one that we're going to show you. So let's take a look at what we got to do. So here's the door. We're going to put a new lock on it, and this will be a smart lock, and then we're going to put a dummy knob or dummy block up here just so that we don't have to look at a hole. And then on this side we're going to add our hole for the latch, and then of course nail off our doorstop here. And we brought everything we need today to do that. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to be stapling this off. We're going to be using our new staple gun here, and we're going to see how this door fits last time. Okay. Okay, that about takes care of that. And undo our hose. Okay, let's see how this is gonna. Still fitting very good. Okay, now we have this particular we're going to be putting this on, and this is just a dummy. Just to give us something to look at, or to look like it's, you know. Line it up here as best you can. Tighten her up. Okay, that's what that looks like. Now we're going to try to find a knob here. Now, we use the smart locks here, and here's a picture of the smart lock. You can see the little indentation right there. That's so I can change it to a number of different keys to rekey them. And it works real good. It's not like having a master key, but you can key it. Say if you lost a key, you can rekey it and put another one in. So it works out real well here. This inch and 3/4 door just makes it a little tough. Perfect. And my key should fit that. Okay, so now let's see where I normally have a stamp for this, and I look for it, and I don't know what the heck I did with it. So, we're just going to use this one. Just like that. Okay, it's got a little bit of play, which is fine. And you'll notice that I didn't recess this plate here, and there's a reason for that. There is a reason for that. It's not recessed, and the reason why is because if you recall from the last video, we had a little bit of a larger gap than what we would have hoped for. Down, as it goes down, it gets a little thinner, but it's still, you can see there, it's got more than enough room. I didn't want to recess it and take a chance of it not catching, so we're good to go there. We've got a little bit of it shakes just a little bit. We could take that up. There's an adjustment on these strikes. If you see this right here, you just bend that out with a flat screwdriver and it comes out further. But since I don't have a flat screwdriver, all I got is wait a second, maybe I do. I do. Okay. So we'll bring it out just a little bit. As you can see, I got there. It don't take much. Okay. Let's see how that'll work. Still got a little bit. Let's go a little more. Okay. I guess it wouldn't hurt to go even a little more. That's going to be good enough. It's got just a slant, but it ain't. I like the way it closes and opens. We got it nailed off. I'm going to pull my nails that I got around here. These big ones here that I had it tacked with. I'm going to pull those. And then this will pretty much be done. Then